Hello, and welcome to my demonstration on how to use the Family Fridge app, an Android app designed as part of my final year project in DIT School of Computing. The app is intended to reduce household waste, or more specifically food waste. It does this by monitoring food usage in and out of the house. So let's jump into the app, shall we? There's 4 buttons on the dashboard, as you can see, one on each shelf. The first button scans a product into the database. The second button allows us to look at all products that we've scanned in. The third and fourth buttons will come to later. So we'll go ahead and press Scan a Product In. Next, the viewfinder appears. When the viewfinder comes up, you're supposed to scan a barcode into the database. It picks up the barcode in the center of the screen with the red line that you can see. It's worth noting that you can turn on your flashlight and turn off your flashlight by pressing the volume up and volume down on the side of your handset. So once you put the barcode in the center, it should scan quite quickly, like so. You might hear a beep. Once it scans, we're brought to a form page. As you can see, we're expected certain criteria in the form. We have the name, the description, the weight, the expiry date, and the location. All of these should be filled out, but you can choose to leave some out if you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and fill one out that I already have. As you can see, it's beer. And where should beer be? In the fridge. So once we press Submit Product down the bottom, you'll see that we're brought back to the main menu. From the main menu, we can choose to scan a product in again if we have a second product. Alternatively, we can view our pantry. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing that loads is the fridge. In the fridge are milk, butter, peppers, and beer. Beer is the record that we just added, as you can see by the expiry date. So let's go to the freezer. We have pizza and we have bread. Pizza has no expiry date because it's in the freezer. When I added it, I decided I didn't want to have an expiry date. Then we have cupboard items, stuff that generally isn't going to expire for some time. From here, if we press the menu button in the bottom left hand corner of your handset, we get 4 buttons. Refresh Pantry, which allows us to reset the view. Resetting the view means that if someone in your house has updated a table in the database, you will be able to see it without having to go out and go back in. This is very important for keeping up-to-date data. Second, we have filters. In the filters, we get a dialog. We can choose all products, which is what we currently have, or we can view expired products. So let's see what products have expired. Pasta, the spices, and pizza have all expired. If we go back to the filter, we can see what products expire tomorrow. There might be none, and there is none. No products found. So we go to the next filter, and we say what products are going to expire in the next 7 days, for example. And there's more here: milk, peppers, ketchup, and bread. So now we see the 2 at the bottom: delete expired and delete pantry. Delete expired is used if you want to get rid of all the expired products in your database. Delete pantry is used if you intend to not use the application ever again. Now this is a very extreme course of action, but you might want to protect your data, and if you don't want to use the app, then why have it in the pantry? So we're going to go ahead and do that just to show how it works. I'm going to delete pantry, and it deletes my products. I have nothing in fridge, nothing in freezer, and nothing in cupboard. So let's go back to the main. From here we can see the third button, About the App. This is just a dialog that's used to give information about the app. This is me, and this is what the app does. This is the tutorial, but you're watching the tutorial, so I imagine you know how to get there. Any inquiries can be sent to my personal email address. And that's about it. The final button exits the Family Fridge app, and it just closes it back down to Windows, or back down to Android, sorry. So that's it. If you have any more problems, please don't hesitate to email me. As I said, this is only for educational purposes at the moment, but will hopefully be commercially available in the future. Thank you for watching.